Hi, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you the M1K torn down here. We're going to take a look inside. I'm going to see how it's built. So if you're not familiar with my channel, I'll give you all the data and statistics to give you the competitive edge over your gaming rivals. Plenty of videos on here for latency tests, teardowns, all kinds of stuff, so take a look. So you'll see here the cable is attached through the shell here. This is a carbon fiber mouse. This is fingertip grip only. They're handmade by the guys, these carbon fiber shells. I'll put a link in the description of where you can buy them. But these are specifically designed for fingertip. As you can see here, they are tiny. Fully custom made. Even the carbon fiber themselves is made by hand. There's 4 screws, 1 in each corner. The Hyperglides don't cover these, so you can open it easily. And this weighs 23.6 grams. We do a weight reduction on it, which is worth checking out. We get it down to about 15 grams. This has still got a rubber cable, but it is a lot thinner. It's a lot more flexible, and we'll measure this against the power cord in a bit to give you an idea. We're also just going to go through and weigh each piece of this mouse as we do with all the teardowns, in case you want to make some modifications yourself. If you haven't already, check out the review on this mouse. I've done one already. Put a link in the description as well. I'm currently doing teardowns and some gaming on my Twitch channel, which is Bearded Bob. Hit me up on there and follow me on there. And if you want to see my gameplay on YouTube, it's under Bearded Bob Gameplay as well. So once you open this, you can just slide the front case down. The rubber cable is a little bit tight, so you have to work it a little bit, but it does go down eventually. You'll see inside the fully custom PCB. This has been all customized, like I say. It's been built from the ground up, and even the PCB has been built to ensure low latency. It's got a dedicated stress relief that clamps the cable at the front. 3 screws holding the PCB down. What I do like about this PCB is the logo that they've got built into it at the bottom. Looks cool. It's gold plated as well. It's also using Japanese OMROMs, which is rare in mice. Certainly my most favourite OMROM. And there's 2 screws holding the stress relief. On the weight reduction, because this was done on a stream, we did show some individually printed 3D bases as well. So like I said, I'll be putting a link later to these in the description once I've done the video for the weight reduction. I'll include some of these bases as well, so you might want to print some off yourself, or you can speak to the guys who created them, who made the mouse M1K, and maybe they'll send you some out. These are Hyperglides. They are very, very small. And this is the base. I love the colouring on this base. This PCB is fully optimized for the least amount of weight, and you can see here it's tiny, the PCB. This uses a much smaller J5 connector. And then to get it out of the shell, we're going to have to take the J5 connector off. So I'm just using a pair of pin-nosed tweezers here. You don't have to do this. I'm just taking it apart, so I'm doing this just to show it. But if you want to change the cable, this is what you will have to do. Unless you want to cut the carbon fiber at the front, which I wouldn't recommend. Once you've got the pins out of the connector, you can just pull them through the front of the shell via this hole. Some comparisons between the cable and the power cord. Normally cables in, I'll show you the Zari one at 40 grams. This one's only 20 grams in rubber. You can see this is a much lighter cable, which gives it extra added flex over a standard rubber cable, although I would still power cord it if I had the choice. Different thicknesses throughout the shell, but this is handmade carbon fiber, so you'd expect some tolerance differences, especially given at the range we're working in here. And that's it. That's the M1K torn down. Let me know in the comments what you think. Check out the weight reduction video when it's out, and I'll catch you soon.